Hi Jollynatics! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, meron kaming nahanap na sulit pero quality pizza resto. At ito nga yung Mr. Tumbs Pizzateria. At located sila sa loob ng Grand Riverside Subdivision along Arnaldo Highway. Tapos available din sila for deliveries. And ito naman yung kanilang dining area. At eto naman yung kanilang menu, i-pause nyo na lang. Nag-o-offer din sila ng mga bundle and party packages. Pero yung in-order namin dito is yung kanilang Only All for 398 pesos. At eto na nga yung mga food. Eto yung kanilang crazy bread. And eto naman yung kanilang carbonara. Firm yung noodles, creamy at talagang kapit sa noodles yung sauce. Tapos yung crazy bread naman nila, nakakatuwa kasi parang ito yung garlic bread at bagay talaga siya dun sa pasta. At ang isa pang solid dito is yung kanilang bake roll chicken barbecue. And kita nyo naman Jollynatics, talagang mozzarella yung gamit nilang cheese. Malasa at hindi tinipid sa laman. At masasabi ko talagang pinaglaanan ng effort yung recipe nito. At bukod nga sa chicken barbecue, marami pa silang flavor nitong bake roll. Ito naman yung kanilang chicken wings na decent yung lasa at serving. Tapos ito naman yung iba't ibang flavors. And mind you guys, yung mga flavors and sauces ng chicken wings, sila mismo yung nag-formulate. At eto na nga yung star of the show. Ito yung kanilang sausage stuff, supreme pizza. And dito nga ako na-amaze Jollynatics kasi biro mo ba naman yung pizzang kasama sa unlimited promo nila ay talaga namang pambato dahil sila yung nag-formulate ng dough at sila rin yung nagmamasa. And talagang mozzarella cheese yung gamit nila sa lahat ng kanilang pizza. At lahat ng yan, idea at recipe ni Sir Romeo with all his years of experience in pizza making. Kaya kung magawi man kayo dito, it's definitely a must try yung pizza nila Jollynatics. At syempre, marami rin silang iba't ibang flavors ng pizza. And for drinks naman, marami silang ino-offer na iba't ibang flavors like lychee, blueberry, strawberry, and green apple. And that's kuya, sobrang enjoy siya sa lychee flavor niyang juice. And sabi niya, parang nga daw lasa ng mogu-mogu. There you go Jollynatics, I hope nabigyan namin kayo ng idea kung saan meron na namang masarap na kainan. Lalo na yung mga mahihilig sa pizza dyan, this pizza resto is definitely a must try. At kung natakam at nag-enjoy nga kayo sa video na to, don't forget to share, follow, and like our page for more videos like this. And as always, thank you so much for watching!